Okay, so we're just going to look at windows and doors in this video. So on our drawing we do have the dimensions, so a lot of the key dimensions for our design and our windows and doors. So I want us to just look at modeling these up. Now you could go to the SketchUp warehouse and search up what you want, but I often find, and after talking to architecture students, and that people often say, look, it's just quicker to model it up. And so that's what we're going to look at. So we've got this window here. I've got the dimensions. I've got a drawing in front of me. And if I want to just quickly make this up as per our drawing, what I'm going to do is just go with my rectangle tool. I'm going to force the plane to be, using my arrow key, to be on the green one, and I'm just going to click and drag, and I'm going to give it a dimension. So I want that dimension to be 900, 1440 millimeters. Alright, now I'm just going to go push pull, and I'm going to make this the thickness of my wall for the ease of this design. Most of my walls, well, I've got 3 different size walls in this design. 150, I think 110 is another one, and 250 is another one. So I'm going to go with this one being 150 thick. You can sort of check your drawing and see which wall it goes in. Now I'll just go 150. Now I imagine window frames would not be the full thickness of the wall, but for the sake of this activity I'm going to go that thickness. Now what I'm going to do next is use my offset tool, and I'm just going to offset a line in, and I'm just going to make it 50mm offset. Now I'm just going by eye here. The drawing I've got has not provided me with those dimensions. So then I'm going to grab the push-pull tool and take that down, probably half the thickness. So I'll go 75. And then what I'm going to do is go offset again, another 50, and then I'm going to push-pull that to all the way through. Alright, now what I'm going to do is triple click on this, right click, make it a group, and I could have a tag over here called frame and so on, but I'll hold off on that for a sec. Then I'm going to essentially go to the back of my frame here, and that is grouped now. Now I'm going to draw the window panes, so I'm just going to get a rectangle, click it to there, and then push pull, and I want to go that direction, and I'll just give it a thickness of 10mm. Alright, so going back over here, now I'm going to triple click on this, which selects the glass, right click, make group, and then I'm going to go to my materials here, pick a glass, and make that material glass. Now I can see my thickness has occurred there, my 10mm thick, so that's happy with that. And yeah, pretty quickly you've got a window modelled up. If you had multiple of these in your home, you could just be copying, duplicating, and so yeah, often much quicker to just design it up if you have the drawing or the dimensions available. The same can be said for cabinetry and custom made items inside the house. So your challenge now is to go through and use the drawing to create your doors and windows for this home. It may feel a little bit slow initially doing this, but it's going to build your skills to make it really quick and easy to do custom made elements to your home, rather than scouring the warehouse for 10 minutes when it could be done really quickly. Now the final thing I'll do here is I'm going to, I've got a group for my glass, I've got a group for my frame. I might just select it all and put that in a group, and then I'm going to also create a tag for that, and I'll call it window 1, and then I'm going to go to here. Okay, window 1, just check. Yep, so that is sitting on that tag. Alright, away you go.